barbecue season, and I have two very special guests with me. We have Joe, head pitmaster and president of Motley Que, and we got McCord from 100.3 The Bear. We're talking about Bear BBQ. So how did this sauce come to be?
Well, this is kind of a way for us to not only be on your radio, but also be in your backyard at the grill. You know what I mean? We partnered with our friends at Motley Que. Joe and Jess have done an incredible job on this sauce. I'm telling you right now, this will ruin boring store-bought sauce for you. You will never go back to the chain sauces after that. If you want to cop a bottle of this, go to thebearrocks.com. Partial proceeds go to the Bear Children's Fund, which is very cool, and you can find a list of participating retailers. Also, scratch that little cap on top, enter the code at thebearrocks.com. You can win yourself $500 just for using this awesome local barbecue sauce.
That's FYI. A lot of rib action. Right? I love it. Okay, Joe, why don't you tell McCord how to make the perfect quick barbecue?
All right, so we got our tools ready. I'm going to use a butter knife. A spoon's a bit easier if you have that. Also, a piece of paper towel. We're just using some blue shop rags. What we want to do, we want to get this silver skin off. You can kind of see it. So we're going to separate these ribs. I'll give McCord the easier one.
For sure.
So what we're going to do, about halfway in, you kind of, your spoon, you can get in there a bit better. Dig in underneath that silver skin. You can see it start to pull away. I like to get all the way across.
There we go. Okay. All right. Yeah, she's coming. Okay.
If you go a little further in the middle, use the spoon end, the other end.
Oh, the other end?
Yeah, it'll go easier.
Okay.
There you go.
Well, I don't know.
McCord.
Okay.
All right. I'm scooping. Here, you got to show. You show me with the. There we go.
So we want to just get in and start to bring that silver skin, pry it away. So you get in there. So it's pretty slippery. So that's where the paper towel comes in handy. So if you don't get all the way through, grab it with the paper towel, it'll get you a good grip.
All in one fell swoop.
Yeah.
And what's the benefit of that? That silver skin on the back, it's kind of like it's tough when you cook it, right?
It is. It's a double-edged sword. I mean, I'm a carnivore, so I like it because I like to hear that tear into it.
Fair enough.
But to be honest with you, the seasoning's not going to get through it. The smoke's not necessarily going to get through it. A lot of times the moisture won't get through it, so it can give you a different quality rib. It all depends on whether you want that carnivore meat tear, or you want the top quality rib.
Let's go full flavor, baby. Let's get into this.
That's what we're doing today.
All right.
All right. So next thing we're going to do, I'll do one and then you do the other if that's okay.
Okay.
So what I like to do, I like to take my ribs and I accordion them out.
Okay.
Stretch them as far as I can. We're going to use two different seasonings today. So the first one I'm going to put on is actually this one. It's a maple fix. Give us that good Canadian flavor.
I've had this stuff before. It is dynamite, let me tell you.
It's got some hickory in it, so if you're not smoking them, you're just doing it in your oven, you're in spot, whatever the case is, you'll still get a little bit of smoky flavor. So we're going to put on a little bit of that. Then we're going to hit it with the pork. The pork's got some other depths of flavors as well as some nice color. Now,
this is called a rub. Is it imperative that I rub it in, or just a pat like that is good?
So what I'm doing is I'm just patting it in for now because we're kind of doing this in a hurry. If I had the time,
I'd have about 30 seconds left, guys.
I would let it sit in for 20 minutes before I flipped it, but since I can't, I'm doing that. So back to my maple first. Give it a good coat. Like I said, I don't know if you picked it up quick, but I did accordion it out a little bit.
Right, yep.
And now we're off to our second layer of flavor. We're going from the first one being a bit more sweeter to this one with some savory stones. Then we're going to put it on our smoker. We're going to accordion it back in. That'll help retain a lot of moisture.
But you've got one on the smoker right now,
Through the magic of television.
Okay, we're going to get to that one right quick. Of course, get those out of the way.
Shazam!
Bear with me 1 second. I don't want to go from...
It smells amazing, by the way. The baby is kicking for these baby back ribs.
Absolutely.
All right, guys, we've run out of time, unfortunately, but we'll bring these ribs as I talk about the website. If you want more information about Bear BBQ sauce, where the proceeds go, how to scratch and win, and where to get the bottles, of course, you can head to our website under Morning Live.
Bring those ribs inside, please. Still ahead, what's being called this summer